My name is Kirra Griffin.
And I'm KrisJenn.
We are both 8th graders at Vici Public Schools, and we did this experiment because we didn't know what Daphnia were and thought they were interesting, considering that they are water fleas. In our project, we learned what Daphnia were, how to use a microscope, and our end results can actually be bad or good depending on the person. Our research question is, which caffeinated beverage causes heart rate to increase the most? And our hypothesis states that Coke will increase heart rate the most.
Even though our hypothesis states that Coke will be the most efficient for increasing heart rate, it was actually the exact opposite, as for almost every trial, it actually slowed it down slightly. And as you can see in our graph, tea kept heart rate relatively the same, Coke actually slowed it down slightly, and finally, coffee increased heart rate the most. It isn't stated on our graph, but coffee also killed the most Daphnia out of all of our chosen beverages. For procedure, we mixed 5 milliliters of each beverage with 10 milliliters of water in a beaker. We made sure the water to beverage ratio was as close to the same as possible for each trial by measuring each liquid with a graduated cylinder. Next, we used a pipette to place a Daphnia into the mixture and left it there for 3 minutes. We then transferred it to a microscopic slide with as little liquid as possible.